So here we are going to solve the worksheets instead of chapter 7 and 8 because these chapters are reduced in the syllabus. Okay, so first worksheet is there on page number 53. So open that page number 53. Please keep on the video. Gaurav, Vipin, video on कर दीजिए ना please. Good. Vipin also. So we are doing worksheet 1 that is on page number 53. Open की book. Have you opened the book? Have you opened the book? Book open कर दी आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are starting the exercise first. First question is that fill in the blanks with suitable determinants, right? So you have to write the determinants in this blank. So first question is that first dash book belongs to me. So what will be the answer? This, right? THIS. This book belongs to me. That is our answer. So first answer will be this, THIS. Now from the second question is that two blanks are given. In dash childhood days, there were very dash electronic gadgets. So in my childhood, so answer will come my. In my childhood days, there were very few. बहुत कम होते हैं electronic gadgets, right? So answer will come my and few. Okay, now next third one is given how dash money can you raise for the charity event. So money is that it is will be the come the uncountable, right? So we are using as a much. We cannot use more money. We have to write much money can be raised for the charity event. So we are just giving the much money. So answer will be much. Okay. Next is given fourth. She won the dash prize in the drawing competition. So whenever we are writing, we are just giving the first prize only, right? We are not giving the second prize. So answer will be first prize. Okay, first will be our answer. So answer whole blank will be she won the first prize in the drawing competition. That will be our answer. First, FIRST. Okay, hope students you have understood these blanks. Now we are going ahead with the B number. Is there any doubt?
No.
खुशी को मिल गए सारे आंसर्स?
मैम सेकंड का आंसर क्या है?
In my childhood. So answer will come first my childhood, right? And very few electronic gadgets. So few will be the second answer. Okay? खुशी आपको मिल गए सारे आंसर्स?
हो गए
ना? ठीक है. Still I am repeating all four blanks. First, this book belongs to me, right? Second, in my childhood days, there were very few electronic gadgets. Third, how much money can you raise for charity event? And fourth is that she won the first prize in the drawing competition. These were the answers. Now B number. Correct the following sentences by replacing the wrongly used determinants. Means the word is given but it is wrong. We have to make it correct. Okay. So first is given a little students come late for the test. So instead of little, what will come? Which determiner will be there instead of little? Few, right? So a few students came late for the test. So So you have to rewrite the whole sentence. A few students came late for the test. Okay, now second. There are not much biscuits left in the packet. So as you know that biscuit is a countable thing, right? So we cannot write much. Instead of much, more will come. Right? So answer will be there are not more biscuits. There are not many biscuits left in the packets. So the answer will come many biscuits, right? Because it is a countable. So instead of much, many will come. There are not many biscuits left in the packet. Written? Okay. Now next. Neither members of the show bowed to the audience. So neither is said, so we cannot use the plural form. So what will come? Neither member will come. Members is given. So you have to just remove that S. Okay. So what will be the answer? Neither member of the show bowed to the audience. So you should just remove that S. Okay. And you will get the answer. Okay. Now next fourth number. Pass me little water. So what will become? Pass me little water. So what will become? Pass me a little. You can write or you can write some water. Both can be there. Pass me some water or you can write pass me a little water. Okay, both can be possible here. Understood this now? Shall I repeat any one of them? सबके आंसर्स मिल गए? Still, I am just giving all the answers. Abhishek, we are doing worksheet 1, that is on page number 55. Yeah, 55 is there, right? So you can open it. Just giving all the answers again. A few students came late for the test. Second, there are not many biscuits left in the packet. Neither member of the show bowed to the audience. And pass me a little water, or you can write pass me some water. These are the answers of this B. Have you understood now all? Yes? Vipin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gaurav? Khushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Khushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Vipin? And Abhishek? Okay. Now we are going with the third number C. Arrange the determiners in their proper order and rewrite the sentence. This whole the worksheet you have to complete in a textbook only. Okay. So first is that the bracket is given 3 and first. So what will be the arrangement? What will be the answer? You will just arrange it. So first answer will be, I am telling you, the first 3 children. You have to arrange them to make a meaningful sentence. So the first 3 children were given a medal each. So just arrangement will be the first 3 children and remaining will remain as it is. Understood? Right? So the first 3 children were given a medal each. Now second, your all ideas are way ahead of our time. So what will be the answer? You have to speak.
All your ideas are
Very
the
good.
way to ahead.
Right, remaining as it is. All your ideas are way ahead of our time. So that is a correct answer. Okay, now third one. These all say one. So what will be the arrangement of these 3 words? Tell me the arrangement of 3 words. Mahi, Khushi, Vipin. आवाज नहीं आ रही है मेरी? Are you able to listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
ये थोड़ा मे बी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम इज पॉसिबल. Okay, either mine or either yours. Now can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we came on third number. Those who joined just now, I just want to repeat one time. We are doing worksheet 1, that is on page number 55. For Ankit, Kashish, we are doing the worksheet 1, that is on page number 55, because this 7 and 8 chapter is in the reduced syllabus. So we are not doing those chapters, but we are solving the worksheet. Came on question number C. In that we are doing third number. So what will be the answer? The answer is that all these 7 days
I
reach school early. So arrangement will be all these 7 days, right? Now, next
Yes, ma'am.
is right. Now, next fourth number. Last, the, two. You have to arrange these 3 words. Last, the, and two. So what will become? The last 2 days or the last 2
The
films?
last two.
Very good. So the last 2 films you suggested were incredible. So that is our answer. The last 2 films that you have suggested, that is unbelievable or incredible. Okay, like this way we have completed our worksheet 1. Now we are going with the worksheet 2, right? Because we have time. See students, you have to also try to solve this worksheet, and if you have doubt you can ask me also, right? Anytime. So now worksheet 2, that is on page number 56. First question is that fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. What do you mean by preposition? In, on, under, near, behind, right? These are the examples of prepositions. Now, first question is that who told you the incident? So what will be the preposition? Who told you dash the incident. What will be the answer? About. Okay, answer will be about. Who told me? Told you about the incident? किसने आपको इसके बारे में बताया? Okay, so answer will be about. Now second fill in the blanks is given. I am traveling dash. So we are traveling. So what will come from? Two places are given. So we come from Qutub Minar to Delhi. So answer will come from. F-R-O-M. Okay. So answer will be from. Third one is given. She was so excited after her sister won the swimming competition that she jumped dash the water. So obviously she will jump into the water. So answer will come into. Next, fourth number. My shirt fell dash my almari, so I could not find it. So it is behind my almaris, right? So that's why I cannot look it properly. So answer will come behind. So my shirt fell behind the almari. Next, the ladder was placed dash the wall. So how we can put the ladder? It is against the wall, right? We will put the ladder on the support of wall. We will give the support to the wall. So the answer will come against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against. Now last in the blanks. I have been living in this city only dash a month. So what will become? For a month. Okay. We are going to live in a particular city for a month. So answer will come for. F-O-R. Now students, second is given. Make sentences. Next is given. Make sentences with the following collocation. So that you have to do yourself because you can make the answers yourself also. Can you do it yourself? Can you do it yourself? Mahi, Prem, Khushi, Gaurav,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Try करना. If you are not able to find it out, then
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
help you out. Okay? But at least try to do it yourself. Now next, C number. Underline each prepositional phrase and say whether it's functional as an adjective or adverb. You have read as it is functioning as an adverb or adjective. Okay, but and you have to underline the prepositional phrase. So first question is that did you see Rita in her new sari? So what will become prepositional phrase? So whenever preposition came, at that point it is called the prepositional phrase. So answer will be in her new sari. So that you have to underline. Right? And secondly, what will be its phrase? So its phrase will be adjective. Okay? So prepositional phrase will be in her new sari and type is adjective. Now secondly, as I was late, my father waited at the station. So at the station will be prepositional phrase and it will be work as a adverb. Similarly, third number. Now I have to go to the library block. So what will become the prepositional? Go is a verb. So we start with the to the library block, and the prepositional verb will be adverb. We are doing worksheet that is on page number 57.
कौन है
Riya. Riya,
Yes, ma'am.
please.
माइक बंद करो
Turn off your mic. Okay. Now, fourth number. Pass me the box kept on the top rack. So, on the top rack, that will be your preposition. Right? On the top rack. And it will work as a adjective. Next, the seat beside yours is mine. So, beside yours is a prepositional phrase and it is work as a adjective. Sixth number. Please go and sit next to him, Hema. So, next to Hema, that is your prepositional verb. You have to underline it and it is work as a adverb. Next, the question papers for the examination have arrived. So, for the examination, that is a prepositional verb phrase, or we can say, and it is work as a adjective. Next and last, according to Ramu, he himself was always right. So here prepositional verb will be according to Ramu. That is a prepositional verb phrase and it is work as a adverb. Have you understood this whole?
What is the answer of it?
Fifth, the seat beside yours is mine, right? So beside yours, that is the prepositional phrase. And it is work as an adjective. Now is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
समझ में आ गया फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अभी एग्जाम कब आ रहा है
क्या?
एग्जाम कब आ रहा है अभी
We will inform you from with the message only.
ठीक है
Now students, there is too many worksheets are given in this textbook only. So from first to sixth chapter, worksheets and their solutions, or I can say the solution of this worksheet, I will send you in the PDF. Okay. So just go through that, and if you need any doubt, we will meet in the online class. You can just ask me. Okay. We will solve this worksheet also. Until then, you just try to solve this worksheet at your home as a homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And next time we will start the next chapter, that is 9 conjunctions. And remember that 7 and 8 both are the deduce. Okay. So we are not going to do or not going to learn it. Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. And we are going to finish this online class. Okay. Bye everyone.
बाय मैम
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
कौन पे क्लास
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.